Meet the RxCoolers Max, your go-to choice for storing temperature-sensitive medications safely, no matter where life takes you. This product is not like the average medicine storage solution. While most products out there keep up with the basics, this one rewrites the rules, making it one of the greatest inventions on the market. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about how to use your RxCoolers Max correctly, from unpacking it to setup to real-world use cases, so your medications are always stored at the right temperature. And most importantly, in this video you will learn what makes this product so special. Grab your popcorn and let's get into this video. Inside your RxCoolers Max package, you'll find a range of components, each one thoughtfully designed to play a specific role in keeping your medications cool and safe. You'll receive a stainless steel thermos. This is the main component where your meds will stay insulated. You also get a carrying bag, ideal for on-the-go portability, and two interchangeable lids, the stainless steel lid for passive cooling and a USB-powered lid featuring a digital LED temperature display and a thermostat to make sure your medications stay safe, whether you're traveling through freezing winters or scorching summer heat. Yes, you heard that right. This product is perfect for any climate, from chilly winter excursions to relaxing summer days by the beach. But there's more to it. With this unit, you will also get a biogel ice pack, which is essential for non-powered cooling situations, a USB power plug and cable to power the USB lid, and an anti-freeze protection bag that acts as a barrier between the frozen biogel and your medications. And finally, the room temperature compartment for everything else you need to carry along, like snacks, non-refrigerated meds, pen needles, or lancets. Now that you know what's included, let's move into how to use your RxCoolers Max, starting with the biogel ice pack method. The biogel ice pack is perfect for long trips when no power source is available. First, give the ice pack a good shake. This helps distribute the gel evenly so it doesn't clump up in one spot. After shaking, place it flat inside your freezer for a minimum of 6 hours. Freezing it longer is perfectly fine. It won't damage the biogel pack. When it's frozen solid and ready to use, take it out and soak it in a bowl of lukewarm tap water for 2 to 3 minutes. In the absence of lukewarm water, leave it outside for 10 to 15 minutes before use. However, the warm tap water method is more efficient throughout the year and at various seasonal temperatures. Moving on, pat the biogel dry, make sure to put it inside the antifreeze protection bag and then insert it inside the stainless steel thermos with your medications. Lastly, close the thermos with the stainless steel lid and you're ready to go. No wires, no power needed, just hours of reliable cooling. Now, if you're in a situation where you have access to constant power, like in a car, at home, or even on a plane or train, you can use the USB lid for active, precision-controlled cooling. This method uses patented cooling technology to keep the inside temperature tightly regulated between 36 and 46 degrees Fahrenheit, or 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. To use the USB lid, start by removing the stainless steel lid. Plug the USB lid into the included power cable and let it pre-cool for at least 15 minutes before adding your medications. This ensures the internal chamber is already at fridge temperature and maximizes cooling efficiency. After pre-cooling, open the unit, flip the lid horizontally or upside down, take off the insulation lid from the bottom of the aluminium tube and place your medications inside. After you have your meds inside, close the aluminium tube with the insulation lid and carefully reattach the USB lid onto the stainless steel thermos. Now, here's the science behind the USB lid. This component adjusts the internal temperature up to 28 degrees Celsius or 50 degrees Fahrenheit below or above ambient temperature, which means it works just as well in freezing cold or scorching heat, as long as the outside temperature does not go below negative 14.8 degrees Fahrenheit or above 95 degrees Fahrenheit. This usage method maintains a safe internal range of 36 to 46 degrees Fahrenheit for medications like insulin or other temperature-sensitive medications. If you're traveling to places where it may get hotter than 95 degrees Fahrenheit, we highly recommend using the biogel ice pack method instead, which can keep your medication in the safe range for 24 to 30 hours. Before we wrap up, here are some essential usage notes you should keep in mind. Number 1, this product is designed for meds that need to be kept between 36 to 46 degrees Fahrenheit or 36 to 79 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 2. If you're using the USB lid continuously for more than 4 days, unplug it for 15 to 20 minutes to let the unit rest in order to extend its life expectancy and ensure optimal performance. Number 3. The Biogel ice pack must be frozen solid when passing through TSA security. Liquid gel won't be allowed in carry-on luggage. If it's not fully frozen, pack it in your check-in bag. Number 4. If you want to take this product in your carry-on, make sure you have meds inside it, no matter if your meds are full or empty, because airport security employees might not allow the biogel in your carry-on if there is nothing inside the container. Number 5. If water gets into the USB lid's vent holes, unplug the device immediately and let it air dry in a ventilated space. It should resume normal function if there's no internal damage. Number 6. Don't forget, the USB lid needs to stay plugged in during operation. It doesn't have the same insulation as the stainless steel lid, so never rely on it without power. Number 7. Avoid enclosing your USB lid in tight spaces like backpacks or bags without airflow, as it needs ventilation to function properly. Number 8. The included USB power plug operates at 5 volts and 2 amps. While you can use compatible chargers that match these specs, we recommend using the original one included in the box for best performance. If you're traveling internationally, don't forget to bring a wall adapter to match local outlets. Still wondering how long this product actually works? Let's break it down. With the USB method, as long as it's plugged in and the outside temperature is within its operating range, the unit keeps your medication safe all the time, no matter the season. If you're using the Biogel ice pack instead, you can refer to this image to understand the performance of this cooling method, or contact our team by visiting our website at the link in the description. Lastly, the RxCoolers Max comes with a full 1-year warranty and lifetime customer support. To activate your warranty and get lifetime support from our team, please scan the QR code provided in your manual instructions. If you experience any issues or just need extra help, contact us via the email or phone number provided there. So, whether you're on a road trip, catching a flight, or simply running errands on a hot or cold day, RxCoolers Max has your medications covered, literally. Thank you for watching until the end. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss any of our future videos. We try to make traveling and life in general easier for those who must manage a chronic illness. Thanks again, stay cool and limitless.